Today's topic is linear programming problem by using graphical method. Before we go for the problem, let me explain the basic concept of linear programming problem. A linear programming problem consists of a linear function to be maximized or minimized subject to certain constraints in the form of linear equation or inequalities. With the help of the linear programming problem graphical method, we can able to find the optimal solution. Let us start with the maximize problem. Our question is maximize z equal to 9x plus 13y subject to 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 18, 2x plus y less than or equal to 10, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. So maximize z equal to 9x plus 13y. This is our objective functions. 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 18. This is our first constraint. And 2x plus y less than or equal to 10. This is our second constraint. X greater than or equal to 0. Y greater than or equal to 0. It means positive values only. It means the 0 or more than value 0. It means the value should be greater than or equal to 0. So let us start with the solution part. So our first step is convert the first constraint into equation form. So consider the first constraint into equation. So 2x plus 3y equal to 18. So this is our first equations. Now we have to find the value of x and y. So first thing, put x equal to 0. Therefore 2 into 0 plus 3y equal to 18. Therefore 0 plus 3y equal to 18. Therefore 3y equal to 18. Therefore y equal to 18 divided by 3. Therefore y equal to 6. Therefore the point is 0, 6. Now put y equal to 0 in the same equation, which is 2x plus 3y equal to 18. Therefore 2x plus 3 into 0 equal to 18. Therefore 2x plus 0 equal to 18. Therefore 2x equal to 18. Therefore x equal to 18 divided by 2. Therefore x equal to 9. And therefore the point is 9, 0. Now consider second constraint. So our second constraint is 2x plus y equal to 10. So consider constraint into equation. So it is 2x plus y equal to 10. For finding the value of x and y, our first step is put x equal to 0. So 2 into 0 plus y equal to 10. Therefore 0 plus y equal to 10. Therefore y equal to 10. So therefore the point is 0, 10. Now put y equal to 0 in the same equation, which is 2x plus y equal to 10. Therefore 2x plus 0 equal to 10. Therefore 2x equal to 10. Therefore x equal to 10 divided by 2. Therefore x equal to 5. Therefore the point is 5, 0. So we got the 4 points. Now we will go for the graph. Our first point is 0, 6. So you can see our first point 0, 6. Second point is 9, 0. You can see our second point 9, 0. Our third point is 0, 10. You can see 0, 10 is our third point. Our fourth point is 5, 0. You can see our fourth point 5, 0. Now join the points of first constraint as well as the second constraint and write both the constraint equations respectively. Now you need to find the feasible region. In order to find the feasible region, this is our maximize sum. So feasible region is towards the origin side. So start with our first constraint. We are coloring the first constraint with the orange color. So our first constraint is 2x plus 3y equal to 18. Origin side coloring with the orange marker. So this is our first constraint. Now our second constraint is 2x plus y equal to 10. We are coloring with another marker. Now you can see the common shaded region. Now common shaded region is 0, 0, 6, 5, 0 and this point. So this is the our feasible regions. Make it with the dark color. So this is our feasible regions. Now we will name the corner points. So let us consider O 0, 0 as well as A 0, 6, B 5, 0 and point C. Now for finding the value of C, we have to solve the two equations simultaneously. This is our two equation. Our first equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 18 and our second equation is 2x plus y equal to 10. Now subtract equation 1 from 2. So subtract 2x will get cancelled. 3y minus y which is equal to 2y. 18 minus 10 which is equal to 8. So therefore y equal to 8 divided by 2. Therefore y equal to 4. Now substitute y equal to 4 in equation 1. So equation 1 is 2x plus 3y equal to 18. Therefore 2x plus 3 into 4 is equal to 18. Therefore 2x plus 12 equal to 18. Therefore 2x is equal to 18 minus 12. Therefore 2x is equal to 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 divided by 2. Therefore x equal to 3. Therefore the point is 3, 4. Therefore the C is 3, 4. Now we need to substitute these values in the objective functions. Now what is our objective functions? Our objective function is maximize z equal to 9x plus 13y. We got 4 points for our feasible region. Our first point is O 0, 0, A 0, 6, C 3, 4 and B 5, we will write all 4 corner points of the feasible region. Our first point is O 0, 0, A 0, 6, C 3, 4 and B 5, 0. Now you need to substitute these values in the objective function. Our objective function is maximize z equal to 9x plus 13y in order to find our optimal solution. So let us start with our first point O 0, 0. Our objective function is 9x plus 13y. Substitute these values. So this is the 9 into 0 plus 13 into 0 which is equal to 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Our second point is A 0, 6. So 9 into 0 plus 13 into 6 which is equal to 0 plus 78 is equal to 78. Our third point is 3, 4. So 9 into 3 plus 13 into 4 which is equal to 27 plus 52 which is equal to 79. Our last point is B 5, 0. Substitute in the objective function which is 9x plus 13y. So 9 into 5 plus 13 into 0 which is 45 plus 0 is equal to 45. Now you have got the z value for the all 4 points O, A, C and B. Since it is a maximizations problem, we need to find the maximum value. Or you can see which is the maximum value. Our maximum value is 79. So our optimal solution is 79. Therefore z equal to 79 at point 3, 4. I hope all you understand the concept. Thank you.